Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to run two operating systems on one machine. Okay, first of all you want to download this. It's called ORACLE VM VirtualBox Manager, and it's a Sun VirtualBox also known as. Now once you first get this, you want to download this. Basically this is just Windows 7. You don't have to download this, you can get it on a disc, which you can buy from the likes of PC World in the UK, or I don't know where you can buy it from America. But yeah, basically that's just Windows 7. I've just went on my CD drive and copied what was on it. Yeah, so once you get that, just leave that as a WinRAR file. Now you want to click New, Next, Virtual Machine as Windows 7 PC or whatever you want to call it, as long as it's got Windows 7 in. Well, it doesn't have to be Windows 7, but it's just a lot faster than finding it. Make sure that you can have Lexmark, Mac, and so on. So once you've done that, you want to click Next, make sure the icon's there. And about 124 is okay. Now you want to make sure boot hard disk is selected and create new hard disk. Click Next. Dynamically expanding means it automatically expands when you add files to it. Fixed storage means it's just fixed and you can't go over a certain amount which is set. So dynamically expanding is the best. Now you want to call it Windows PC and put it to whatever you want. I actually like 20 gig. Here we go, 20 gig. Now click Next, and when you click the Finish button, that's basically created your computer. As you can see, it's shut down as preview. Again, now what you want to click is the Start button, or you can click Settings. The newest version does not have this, but it should be somewhere there called PC something. Okay, just follow me, just click Start, and it'll come up Welcome to the first run. So where it says these. If you're using a disk and it's in the side, you want to select the E drive or your F drive, what it's in. But if you're using a file which I've already extracted to my disk, you will find it. So it'll automatically take you to your last place. Say it was your desktop. You want to find where you put it. So I'll put it in my downloads, which have just been in then. So downloads, and there it is. Now click Open. And now when you click Next, it'll come up Summary. Finish. This may be in two parts because this is just a start. I'll tell you how to install it. Basically, Virtual Machine Optimize. This will automatically come up. All you should do is click Don't Show Again or just click OK. And now this will take a minute because it's waiting for the files from your program. I'm gonna just tell you about this. The Windows 7. If you download it off the internet, yeah, well, it's illegal because you're not allowed it. You're supposed to pay for it. If you pay for it, you're okay. So basically, yeah, and this is actually quite big. I'll show you now. Go to my downloads. Downloads. As you can see, it's 2.23 gig, just that file. So yeah, you know, it'll take a while to download. I'll just wait for this. To make your mouse control that screen, you gotta click, and now it should be controlling that screen. To get rid of it, well, there's lots of ways you can get rid of it. I think this will be two parts because we're already on 4 minutes 24 seconds. Okay, I'll just minimize that. Wait for this to load. Machine, scale modes, and you can switch it, and you can do full screen, machine, full screen. So yeah, just wait for this to load. It'll make this is a bit slow because they're both running on your external hard drive. So this may take a while. Yeah, just leave this and just let it do what it's doing. Dot dot dot. It doesn't only take this slow, but I think it's just because I've started my computer up to do this tutorial. It's being so slow. So yeah, just wait a minute. So yeah, by the way, I am Kieran Subri on YouTube, no spaces or anything. So just Kieran Subri. If you want more tutorials, subscribe, and I do giveaways, as you might have seen on my channel. I've done like a Photoshop giveaway. There we go. It's loading. I've done like a Photoshop giveaway and stuff like that. I've done lots of giveaways, like graphics packs, and it's only when I reach a certain amount of subscribers. Now what you want to do is drag that to the middle. Now you want to keep this open, but you don't really have to. Now you go to the computer, and as you can see, it's loading. Now this will come up. You want to choose what you are. I'm English, and I'm not US. I am UK. So you want to find United Kingdom, which will be a bit further up. United Kingdom, and keyboard method. If your keyboard's a QWERTY, it's just United Kingdom, and I don't know any other keyboards, but you can just do that. And now as you can see, it'll say this, Windows 7 install now. What you want to do is you want to repair computer, and click next, retry, cancel, cancel, restart, and now just wait for this to restart. Okay, as you can see, it's a lot faster the second time. Just wait for that to load. So yeah, I think this is going to be on 2 parts because I normally do this for 15 minutes. But I think you might be able to figure this out by yourself, and I'm still going to do it. I'm just going to pause it till it loads to the main thing. I just wait for these files to load, and when that thing comes up, I'll pause it and then play when it comes back on. So as soon as that comes up, I'll show you what I mean. Don't know why it's doing that. As you can see, it says it's fully done, but it's obviously not. Go on, I'll pause it and start it again as soon as it's loaded. Okay, yeah, that only actually took about 5 seconds after I stopped it. So yeah, basically it's just asking to do this, I don't know why. But you know, United Kingdom, next. Now you want to click install now. Now I'll say setup is starting. Just wait for it to load. Can't be bothered pausing it again, so just keep it going. This is like the important bit now for this to actually work. The other bit's quite easy. Okay, just wait for this. There we go. Now you can just read the terms and conditions. Already read through them. Just basically tells you about icons and what you get with it. And you can't go back and stuff. Just accept license. Click next. And now you want to click upgrade. Oh no, you don't want to click upgrade. You want to click the other one. So basically, let's wait for this again. Sorry about that wrong move, but you know what can you do? There we go. Now click accept, next, and now custom advanced. As you can see, that just shows you how many, and now what you want to do is click that, click next. Then if this loads, and now basically this is just copying the Windows files from that folder, which we add onto this virtual box, and it's exporting Windows files, installing features, installing updates, and so on. This should only take a minute, but this is the longest one, I think. Installing Windows files, expanding Windows files even. Just wait for it. Oh. Yes, this is definitely the longest one. The only way I know how to get the most off is by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, and then what you click is cancel, where it comes up all the details. Ctrl Alt Delete basically brings up the startup message, and you get your mouse free to move about. Look, there's two mouses on top of each other, and so on. You can just leave that to do that. I'm gonna pause the video till that one finishes doing what it's doing. Okay, yeah, basically, just wait for that to do. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes, and I haven't got enough time because I'm gonna try and fit both of these into it. So yeah. See, as soon as it starts going, it goes like 1, 2, 3, so on. I'm just gonna pause this till it's done. See you in a bit. Okay, everyone, now that's completed. Now it's just completing the installation. I left it for a bit too long, so it's done both of them as well. But you know, just completing the installation. So let's do that. I'll pause it again, and I will unpause it as soon as that's done. Okay, now that's done. This will come up, a little message. Just click OK, and now basically when you first get your computer, it's just like that. Choose your name for your account. So Kieran, and then computer name, Kieran's PC, and click next. Now what you want to type your password, and your password hints. So mine will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Just keep going on. Pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That just means it continues to whatever that'll work. And our last goal is just use recommended settings. And now what you want to do is you want to find your place. If you're from the UK, like London, sort of, it'll be UTC, so Dublin, London, basically, yeah. Now just set the time if you want. My time's correct if you see in the corner, and it's definitely the 12 for me. Click next, and whatever your network is where you are with your computer or laptop now, click that. So if you're at home, but make sure you fill this right, because if it's like a public station or whatever, so when it's connecting, I'll just connect to your network. Just wait for that to load. Just connecting to my network. Yeah, just leave that going. There we go. Now once that's done, now it's just finalizing the settings, so just making sure it's done it all right and stuff.